Holy moly, that is flush as can be. I'm half tempted to just pull this little lid off too, because I bet you the kids will break it.
Quick video today on our 2017 LX 570. If you've got one of these or been in one, you know that there's not quite the level of, you've got this stuff here. You don't have easy access to USB ports like you do in any other vehicle of this era. This is a 2017. Even up to 2021, they were like this. So you've got, let me see. You've got one cigarette lighter adapter, 12 volt, you know, the little round things down here. No USB ports in the back. You pop this open and you have the system with the rear seat entertainment with the screens on the back. You've got this, and you got your volume knobs for left and right, headphone plugs, HDMI, but nowhere to plug in anything USB related. And that's here in the back seat area. You've got your AC controls and everything. In here, still have no USB ports. And then in the front, right about there, I'll show you here in a minute, you've got another cigarette lighter adapter, but again, no USB ports. So if you want to charge your phone, it's 2023, everybody's got a cell phone, right? And you kind of need a charger in the car if you're going anywhere, or if you're low on batteries. You got nowhere to plug it in, you got to use the little cigarette lighter adapter things. So I started looking around, and one of my previous trucks, I bought some fast charging USB ports, and I manually installed them somewhere around there on the deck, on the wood. You know, cut a hole out, took the whole trim out, all this. I didn't want to go through all that trouble. And that wouldn't solve my problem in the back with the kids, with them not having anywhere to plug their USB devices in. So I started looking around, trying to find an easy solution. And I said, hey, you know, I'm going to poke around every website I can find and try to locate the most compact cigarette lighter adapters. And I think I found one that'll work. I haven't put it on yet. You guys will be looking as I put them on here. I got it off Amazon. I know. I buy everything off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description in case this works out well. But let's open this guy up. See what we got. Okay. So I ordered a 2-pack, and one of them should have 2 USB-C ports, which I would put in the back. And one of them has a USB-C port and a regular USB port, and it's a 90-watt charger, each of them. So they're very high-powered, fast charging. Let's see, so that's the one with the 2 USB-C ports. What's the silver thing? Oh, that's a little pull handle. Okay, so you got USB-C port right there, and you've got 45 watts on the top, and some light here, and you got 45 watts on the bottom. So you got PD fast charger ports on both of those. If it's actually 45 watts, that's pretty awesome. And this thing is tiny. So the goal is, if I can put this in and have it stay in there and still be able to close that cap, that would be perfect. All right, here's the other one. And this one, you've got 45 watts on the top and QC 45 watt on the bottom. So this would be the one I want to put in the front. Let's see how they fit. All right, so this is, excuse all the dirt. I don't know what the kids spilled. So that's the little port there. Let me grab the one, there it is, with 2 USB-C ports. And I'm gonna put it with the little handle facing down so I can access it and flip it open in case I need to get to it. Okay. Let's straighten that guy out. Right about there. I'm gonna push it all the way in. Holy moly, that is flush as can be. Doesn't really come past my finger. I mean, past the lip, I guess. And the lid closes. Woohoo! Awesome. So now the kids can plug their stuff in here. Man, I'm half tempted to just pull this little lid off too, because I bet you the kids will break it. I wish this lid wasn't here and I could just leave that open like that. Well, I'll leave it for now. Hopefully the kids don't break the lid off. Let me go get the front one on and see if that one fits as well. Here we are in the front.
Open that guy. Come on, open. So you've got your USB port here, which there's a pair of them, and they suck for charging. They're not good at all. And you've got your cigarette lighter adapter on this side, which is where I'm gonna put this guy. So here, I'll put it this direction again so I can reach that tab if I need to without having to go this way. Okay, let's push it in. So this one sticks out a little bit more, but not much. Let's see if we can close it. Yeah, it actually even snaps closed, so it's closing all the way. And yep, there we go. Oof, it's dirty. Need to wash this thing. So awesome. We've got our USB ports there too for charging, and this is gonna be much better than using these junky ports over here. So there you go, guys. Easy solution to get some high-speed USB charging ports in your Land Cruiser or LX570 or really any Lexus or Toyota. Links are going to be in the description below. Hope this is helpful for y'all. Love you. See you next time.